Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create TikToks, that is video editing, using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then to create the TikToks, that is video editing, I'm going to use template from the CapCut. So I'm gonna go to the templates menu, and then we can choose the template for our TikToks, that is video. Right here you can choose the template that you like, or if you don't find any template that you like, right here you can go to the search menu and you just need to type in TikTok status or TikTok story. And then for me, I'm just going to use this template. I'm going to use the template from the CapCut recommendation. I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to replace the video in the template with my own video. I'm going to click on use template right here, and then I'm going to choose a video from my gallery. I'm just going to pick random video from here guys. We need to select 9 items. We can replace it with video or photo. I'm going to choose videos. Okay, one more video. Okay, now 9 items have been selected, and I'm going to click on next. Okay, and before we export this video, we can edit the music. If you do not like the music from the template, you can replace it with your own music. Just click on the audio, and then you're going to select audio from here. I'm going to select this one. And you can also extract audio from video. Just click on this option. You will be able to add your own audio as well right here by clicking on the add audio option. Okay, I'm just going to use this one guys. Alright, and if you want to replace the video you have edited, you can tap on the video and then you can click on replace. Oops. Okay, and once you're ready to save your video, you can click on export. And then to remove the watermark from the template, you can click on export without watermark. Wait, I'm going to change the resolution, and I'm going to click on export without watermark, so the CapCut watermark will be removed from my video. Okay, and we just need to wait until the video has been exported. Okay, now the video has been exported and the video is ready to share to our TikTok. We just need to click on share to TikTok, and the TikTok will be opened automatically. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create TikTok status video editing using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.